Renewable and non-renewable resources. Ecology is the study of man and his environment. The natural environment contains all natural resources that are necessary for life: the air, the oceans, the sun, and the land. Because these resources are vital for life, ecologists study their importance and how to use them carefully. Ecologists often divide resources into two groups: renewable and non-renewable. When we use a resource, it takes some time to replace it. If we can replace the resource quickly, it is called renewable. It is non-renewable if we cannot replace it quickly and easily. For example, grass for animals is a renewable resource. When animals eat the grass, usually more grass will grow. Coal, however, is non-renewable because it takes millions of years to make coal. All fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. The decomposition, or decay, of organic materials forms fossil fuels, and they include coal, oil, and gas. We started using these fossil fuels in large quantities less than 200 years ago, and we haven't stopped since. Some scientists now predict that we will exhaust our supplies of fossil fuels in 50 years. In other words, in 50 years, there won't be any fossil fuels left. Many resources are non-renewable. As a result, we must conserve them. That is, we must use them carefully. There are several ways to do this. First, we must find and use new resources. Second, we should find new uses for old resources. Third, we shouldn't waste any resources. Last, we must try to recycle the already available resources. In this way, we can use the same material over and over again.